Hello and welcome to this new tutorial on how to build hills and the basic scenery on your model railway. So let's get right into it. Metal mesh by Noch and a hot glue gun, that's what I am using for the structure. Simply glue or pin the mesh that you put into shape already to some kind of stabilizers like tunnels, cardboard or wood. It's easy to cut out smaller pieces to fit in missing areas. Now that the mesh is done and formed to your liking, make a 50-50 mix of wood glue and water and get a lot of sheets of toilet paper ready. Dab the mix onto the toilet paper that you have applied to the mesh beforehand using a brush. Do this to 3 to 4 layers of toilet paper and really soak them with the mix. Let it all dry 24 to 48 hours depending on your environment. As you can see, I added some stones I made from styrofoam. These are quite easy to make and you can find a lot of tutorials online. Once it's really completely dry, add brown paint. I use spray paint because it can fill a lot of area in a short amount of time, but any brown paint will do. When the paint has dried, add wood glue, this time not in any mixed variant. Quickly add sand or gravel with a color and texture that you like into the wood glue. So that you don't waste most or a lot of that gravel or sand, vacuum it off with a sock fixed to the vacuum cleaner. I just collect the sand in an old bucket so that I'm able to use it again on another project. Then vacuum off the rest of the sand with no sock in front of the vacuum cleaner. You really don't want any sand on your layout. Cover the whole area you want grass to be with grass or wood glue. Now to the grass. I am using the Noch Grassmaster 3.0 and 6mm long grass. The Grassmaster works with electricity to get the grass standing straight up. The colors green, dark green and yellow mixed together are what I wanted on my layout. I find the Grassmaster works quite well, but it's very expensive. Sadly, that's how it is with nearly all of these electrical grass machines. It's cheaper to make one by yourself if you feel capable of doing this. Again, vacuum off the excess grass once you let it dry for a day. You can keep it for the next time. Doing this, you usually get back about half of the grass that you used. So there you have it. Of course, there is still a lot to do after this, like adding trees, bushes, people, buildings and so much more. Thank you for watching, and because you watched this to the end, please consider subscribing. See you next time.